Number three, ground number three, gross misconduct. That one, Honorable Franklin Mithika Linturi, acting in his role as the Cabinet Secretary responsible for the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, by approving procurement and distribution of fake fertilizer by National Cereals and Produce Board, insofar as being a state officer. One, has failed to exercise public trust in the best interest of the people of Kenya, and this amounts to gross misconduct contrary to Section 8 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, Cap 185C. Two, has failed in the performance of his duties to the best of his ability to carry out the duties of the office efficiently and honestly, and to carry out the duties of a transparent and accountable manner. And these amounts to gross misconduct contrary to Section 10A and B of the Leadership and Integrity Act, Cap 185C. Three, has failed to demonstrate professionalism in carrying out duties of the office in a manner that maintains public confidence in the integrity of the office, and this amounts to gross misconduct contrary to Section 11A of the Leadership and Integrity Act, Cap 185C. Number four, Honorable Speaker, that he misled the public by submitting false information to a departmental committee of the National Assembly that GPC diatomaceous was distributed as a soil conditioner and not as fertilizer. And this amounts to gross misconduct, contrary to Section 29 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, Cap 185C.
You may omit to read the names of those who signed the motion, since you gave them to the House when you gave notice.
Honorable Speaker, I will be relying on evidence marked as Annexure 1A. That is a letter from Ahmed Nasir to DCI, Criminal Investigations, a letter which was produced in the committee of this House, Honorable Speaker. That is Annexure 1. My Annexure B, Honorable Speaker, I will be referring to a document from Kenya Bureau of Standards, a document submitted by the Managing Director of Bureau of Standards to the Departmental Committee on Agriculture and Livestock in regard to fertilizer subsidy program, Annexure B. Honorable Speaker, I will be referring to a document, Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development Response on Fertilizer Subsidy Program by Honorable Mithika Linturi, Cabinet Secretary, submitted to the committee on March 24th, Annexure C. Honorable Speaker, I will be referring to a document marked Annexure D of National Cereals and Produce Board, where it entered into a merger aimed at